Hello guys, today we're talking about the Soundcore C50i by Anchor, and what really makes these earbuds stand out is how much better they feel the longer you actually live with them. After just a few days, they start to blend naturally into your routine, whether you're walking around the house, commuting, or running errands. They're the kind of earbuds you grab without thinking because you know they'll feel comfortable and connect instantly. One of the biggest highlights is how well the C50i handles different types of audio. Podcasts sound clear and natural, music feels lively without being overly boosted, and videos stay nicely synced. That balance makes them true everyday all-rounders, instead of earbuds that only sound good in one specific situation. The auto reconnect feature is also a huge convenience. Once you pair them the first time, they reconnect the moment you take them out of the case, so you're listening within seconds. The tap controls feel responsive and reliable, making it easy to skip tracks or answer calls without frustrating delays. Battery life adds another layer of freedom, because you can get through your day without constantly worrying about charging, and the case makes topping them up simple. Even if you forget to charge overnight, they're still dependable enough for daily use. While they don't have advanced active noise cancellation, the snug fit provides solid passive noise isolation, cutting down background noise in public spaces and making your audio feel more immersive. Comfort remains a major strength too. Even after hours of listening, there's no ear fatigue, which makes them easy to use as your main earbuds. Call quality is also dependable, with voices coming through clearly and background noise reduced enough for smooth conversations or remote meetings. Add in a durable, pocket-friendly case, and the C50i becomes less of a gadget and more of a daily essential. Overall, the Soundcore C50i delivers a smart mix of comfort, performance, simplicity, and reliability, making them a strong choice for anyone who wants earbuds that truly fit into everyday life without hassle.